What does it mean to belong? Is it where you're from, the language you speak, the people you meet? Or maybe it's something you discover along the way. In the I Belong Here, or Ma place est ici project, students get to explore those questions through creative projects. Let's explore option 3, digital storytelling. Students will create a short French or bilingual video that explores who they are, their experiences, their journey as French learners, and what it means to belong in Quebec. This project connects naturally to French as a second language, English language arts, and culture and citizenship in Quebec, or CCQ. Digital storytelling gives students a chance to improve their language skills, express their identity, and celebrate the stories that make them unique. The project will include 3 interactive class visits. We will be using devices available in schools and user-friendly editing tools. Breakdown of visits. 1. Pre-production and storyboarding. 2. Production, recording, and copyright. 3. Post-production, editing, and celebrating. And to wrap it all up, you're invited to an optional online viewing party. This year's digital storytelling projects will be led by 2 Learn pedagogical consultants, Stacy and Carolyn. Here they are.
Salut tout le monde! Moi, je m'appelle Stacy. Je suis née en Nouvelle-Écosse et j'ai déménagé au Québec il y a 6 ans. De venir vivre au Québec comme anglophone, c'était une belle expérience d'apprentissage qui m'a permis de rencontrer plein de monde et d'apprendre beaucoup plus au propos de cette belle culture québécoise. I am so very excited to talk to your students about the importance of taking risks when learning a language, of the joys of becoming bilingual, and about how I personally found belonging in this beautiful province I now call home.
Hi, my name is Carolyn. I was born and raised in Quebec with an Anglophone mother and a Francophone father. I've always loved being bilingual and being part of different communities. Beyond the obvious of better job opportunities, being part of the Anglophone and the Francophone community has allowed me to meet the most amazing people. J'adore découvrir le Québec et la culture québécoise à travers ses traditions comme la cabane à sucre, sa géographie, ses arts, mais surtout l'humour québécoise.